Jai Sriman Fourth sloka of third chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nakarmanam anarambhat naishkarmyam purushosnute न च सन्न्यसनात् एव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति. ओम. No one ever attains success by mere renunciation of works. Success and progress is achieved only by doing works without attachment to the fruits and as a means of worshipping Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends everyone should surrender to him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall do my work without attachment to the fruits and as a means of worshipping you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam tato jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Harishchandra did Naramedha Yajnam, satisfied Varuna and relieved from his stomach upset. Because of the yajnam that Harishchandra has done, all the devatas felt very much satisfied. In that yajnam, Vishwamitraha abhavat tasmin hotacha adhvaryuhu jamadagnihi abhut Brahma Vasishtha ayasyuhu samagaha. Vishwamitra was Hota, Jamadagni Adhvaryu, Vasishtha Brahma, Ayasyamuni did Samaganam Udgata. In that yajnam they all participated. Because of that yajnam, Devendra felt very happy and gave golden chariot to Harishchandra. In that yajna, Sunassepa was used, but Sunassepa did not die because of Varuna and all other devatas Ashirvadam. We will learn about that in future. So, after seeing the great amount of Satyavakya Paripalana Nishta in Harishchandra, Vishwamitra gave Atma Paramatma Jnanam to Harishchandra. And Harishchandra meditated upon that and got Atmasvarupa Sakshatkaram and attained supreme state. Even till today, Harishchandra is taken as an example for speaking the truth. That will be always there in future also. So, Harishchandra's son is Rohita, Rohita's son is Harita, Harita's son is Champu, Champu's son is Sudeva, Sudeva's son is Vijaya, Vijaya's son is Bharuku, Bharuka's son is Vruka, Vruka's son is Bahuka. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 4th sloka. Nakarmana manarambhat Naishkarmyam purushosnute Nacha sanyasana deva Siddhim samadhigacchati. Nakarmana manarambhat Naishkarmyam purushosnute Nacha sanyasana deva Siddhim samadhigacchati. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.